Blondie, are you getting some cuddles? Are you getting cuddles from someone else but me? Oh, gosh. How dare you. She's got her eyes closed. She's going night night. Yeah. Alright, we're up here in northern Michigan feeding our pigs and piglets in their new garden spot, and they are loving it. And it's actually supper time because we're feeding dinner at 4:30 like a bunch of old people now because there's not much daylight time, so that's kind of what we're doing right now. But so here's the piggies. Let's check in on them. Hi, Hazel. You're gonna be part of my cooking club, girl. Hi. Yeah, well, you know, can't cook with pigs. What can you cook with? Hey, Blondie. Oh, yeah. But wait, there's more pigs. And we have some chickens out here too. They have definitely loved being out in this garden, and there used to be lots of corn stalks that were up. All kinds of stuff that was still in the garden, and there is not much left in here. Goodness, we feed them. Oh, look at them. They know how to keep it clean, don't they? We're out picking some beans because it is time. Everything is going to be covered in snow pretty soon, so we're just going to go ahead and grab a few more purple potted pole beans, ones that aren't super moldy, so that I can seed save from them and they will finish drying out later on. But these are looking pretty darn ready, if you know what I'm saying. But that is great. Magic beans next year. Alright, we're in the back garden. We're going to go check in on Big Poppa and Frank, so let's see how these guys are doing. Big pigging and all. Hey, Big Poppa and Frank. What's going on? Oh, yeah. Pig manners. Hey, guys. Let's get along. Come on. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.